Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a what did I receive on our coffee sleeve swap. I was hosted by myself and Brenda's at Brenda's Creations underscore 77, I believe it is. I will link everybody that was on our swap so you guys could go and check them out. Anyways, again, it was a coffee sleeve swap. Sorry, it's a tongue twister. I always get those tongue twister I don't know. Any I just don't. I can't say certain stuff too fast. Anyways, so we were paired up, and I was paired up with Paulette Tate, and she is oh my goodness, scrap. Oh my goodness, see, there's another tongue twister. Scrappy Tate. Oh my goodness. Hopefully she has a card in here. And you guys, I do apologize. I am on like 3 hours of sleep, so maybe that's why I'm also like a little out of it. So here is her card. Oh, sorry, I just opened it. Sorry, I was opening while I was talking. I just didn't want to show you her address on the card. And again, it's Paulette, and yeah, thought it was gonna have her YouTube name on here. Scrap. Oh my goodness, Scrappy Tate. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. So again, let me go ahead and see and pull everything out. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, you guys. Oh, I love this. Oh. Anyways, okay. Let me stop looking at this. Oh, creating is caring. How cute. So we were supposed to decorate it any way we like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And we were supposed to include a pocket letter. I forgot what else. Oh my goodness. I guess ATC is one of them. Okay, and so let me dump everything on here. I think her address is on the bottom. So, yay. Good thing. Oh my goodness. How cute is that little girl? Okay. So here you go. And she sent me a die. How sweet. Thank you. How cute is that? Oh, love that. So here is, okay, here is, oh, her pockets. Oh my goodness. Her coffee sleeve. Okay. Oh, everything was in here. And this is what it looks like. What's the scoop? Oh my goodness. How cute is this? I love that. That is so cute. I was going to say it's a Stamps of Life, but no, because I don't remember seeing that, man. Anyways, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. She's so creative. And here is her pocket letter. And hello there, spring. And then love her little flower. Look at you guys. And it's iridescent kind of like looking. Cute. Let me see. April showers bring May flowers. How cute. I love this. She is so creative. Oh my goodness. And thank you, Paula, for joining our swap. Okay, so I didn't want to turn it because just in case her ATC or some information was back in there, and she did insert some extra little goodies. So thank you so much. There's some sequin mix, and there's I just got this die. It's a Chaos Craft die. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. And she just sent it like that so I could just, go ahead and do it myself. And then she sent me some, it looks like some tape. Oh my goodness. Thank you so, this is so cute. I love that little girl. Oh my goodness. Look at her coloring. She did coloring. Oh my goodness, my coloring is bad. And then she inserted, we were supposed to insert embellishments. So yay. Yay. Oh, how cute is this? Oh my goodness. And then I think she did the same as this one. Yeah, she did like the foamy. And I have the problem where if you want to do a shaker, it's so hard for me to do that. So I love how she did this. How cute is that? Sorry, you guys. And she sent me the mini one. How cute. Love it. Thank you so much. And then let me see. I think we were supposed to put bows. I can't. Guys, sorry. I'm one of the hosts and I totally forgot. Oh, how cute is this bow? Love it. Love the colors. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? And then she sent me some flower dies. Let's see if we can open it. I don't want to cut it open. Oh, how cute are these? Don't know what dye this is, but it's so cute. Love it. How cute is that? So put it right there. And she sent me an extra gift, which is a cute little swirl stamp. Awesome, because I will be doing some stamping. And here is her ATC. Love this, what is it called? Like a oldie kind of like, I like vintagey stuff, but I don't know, like 60s, like 60s, yeah, 60s, 50s. Love that. Oh, okay, so Scrappy Tate. I don't know why I didn't say Scrappy Tate. Yeah, there you go. Oh my goodness, sorry. So this is her information. You guys want to go over, check out her channel, please do so. Like I said, I will still link her down in the description below. And how cute is this? Love him. Please tell me what collection this is. Oh, I love him. I love him. I love this. This is so cute. And then she added a additional, what's it? How cute is that? I love that little girl. Okay, let me see. Okay, this side. Oh, okay, I forgot. It was banner. This was the most important thing. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot. I was like, what was missing? Oh yeah, the banner. We were supposed to do a banner. And it's just, you know, how cute. Hello, Spring. I love how she did this rolled up here. Hello, Spring. This is so cute. And then she put a little bow on it. How cute is this? We were supposed to do a certain size and then up. I think it was no shorter than 8 inches or length and lengthwise. So how cute is this? I love it. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest ever. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And thank you for being my partner, Paulette. And you guys, I will link everybody down in the description below so you guys can go over, check everybody else out. I do apologize. I'm a little out. Like I said, only on like 3 hours of sleep, so it's not a good thing. Anyways, thank you guys. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to everybody else's channels if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.